Austin, Texas was ready for a transportation revolution. On June 12, 2025, Tesla planned to launch its first paid robotaxi service. Driverless cars, real passengers, a bold leap into the future. But just 2 days before launch, everything stopped. The announcement came not from a press conference, but from Elon Musk himself, online. The delay sent shockwaves through tech and automotive circles, raising doubts about the technology's readiness. For Austin residents, it was a moment of pause. The future would have to wait, and speculation ran wild. The initial rollout was to be small, a handful of Model Ys, not futuristic cybercabs, but regular cars equipped with Tesla's full self-driving software. The goal? Prove the concept in a real city, gather data, and build trust before scaling up. But the delay underscored the challenge. It's one thing for a car to drive itself on a quiet street, another to handle Austin's chaos. The decision to postpone was a clear sign. Tesla's tech, while advanced, wasn't quite ready for prime time. In the age of social media, major news breaks in a tweet. Elon Musk announced the delay on June 10, 2025, citing super paranoia about safety. This wasn't a technical glitch, it was a conscious choice to put safety first, a rare show of restraint from Musk. He quickly floated a new date, June 22nd, but even that was tentative, with Musk warning it could shift again. The message was clear: Tesla wouldn't rush no matter the hype. Musk's posts also hinted at a possible change of city, cryptically suggesting Los Angeles could leapfrog Austin. Was it a joke, a distraction, or a real backup plan? Either way, it kept the conversation going and broadened the focus. Musk's direct communication style bypassed traditional media, speaking straight to customers and investors. By owning the narrative, he turned a setback into a public discussion about safety, not failure. The delay became a story about responsibility, not missed deadlines. The real reason for the delay? Safety, plain and simple. Autonomous driving leaves no room for error. A single failure could set the industry back years. Tesla knows the first robotaxi rides will be scrutinized like never before. Its full self-driving system is still level 2, driver assistance, not true autonomy. Videos have shown Teslas struggling with complex situations, odd road markings, construction, unpredictable drivers. These edge cases are the hardest to solve, and the delay suggests Tesla is still ironing them out. Internal data likely showed too many disengagements, moments when a human had to take over. Moving from testing to paid service raises the stakes legally and ethically. Tesla's choice to wait reflects a new maturity. Better to launch late and safe than early and sorry. The company is betting that public trust is worth more than meeting a deadline. Tesla's robotaxi ambitions face intense regulatory scrutiny. In May 2025, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration sent Tesla a pointed letter, demanding details on how its full self-driving system handles tough conditions: rain, fog, tricky intersections. This wasn't routine. It followed reports of crashes and near misses, putting Tesla's safety claims under the microscope. The timing added pressure and likely influenced the decision to delay. Local officials in Austin have also raised alarms, citing incidents where test vehicles entered restricted areas or ignored emergency scenes. For first responders, unpredictable autonomous cars are a new risk. Regulators want innovation, but not at the expense of public safety. The delay shows Tesla is still working to satisfy both federal and local concerns before going live. The delay didn't quiet Austin's critics, it energized them. On the original launch date, protesters gathered downtown, spotlighting what they see as dangerous flaws in Tesla's software. Their fears are real. Videos of erratic maneuvers, phantom braking, and confusion in construction zones fuel anxiety. Local officials echo these concerns, especially about robotaxis interacting with emergency services. There have been cases of test vehicles blocking ambulances or failing to respond to police. The risk of gridlock or chaos if multiple robotaxis malfunction is a real worry. Public acceptance is as crucial as technical success. Winning over communities is Tesla's next big challenge. The protests are a reminder. Deploying robotaxis is as much a social decision as a technical one. The Austin controversy offers a preview of a driverless future that's closer than we think. If successful, robotaxis could transform cities: less traffic, more green space, and new mobility for all. Advocates say autonomous cars could drastically cut accidents, since most crashes are caused by human error. Computers don't get tired or distracted. A mature system could save thousands of lives each year. But every utopia has a dark side. The biggest risk now is safety. Rolling out too soon could trigger backlash and stall progress. There are also economic and privacy concerns. Millions of driving jobs at risk, and fleets of cars collecting data everywhere. We're at a crossroads. One path leads to safer, cleaner cities, the other to chaos and new forms of surveillance. The choices we make now, regulations, standards, public debate, will shape the outcome. Tesla's Robotaxi saga is a case study in balancing innovation with responsibility. The stakes are high, and the world is watching. Austin is just the beginning. Tesla's ambitions are global. The plan: use Austin as a model, then expand to cities like Los Angeles and beyond. Musk has teased a milestone for June 28, 2025, a Tesla driving itself from the factory to a customer's home, no human needed. Achieving this means solving huge technical and logistical challenges, scaling from a handful of cars to 1 million by 2026. Early fleets will rely on remote human operators for backup. Phasing them out will take time and learning. The Austin delay is just one chapter in a long story of ambition and risk. Can Tesla's camera-based system match the safety of more expensive sensors? Can it win public trust? The road to autonomy is long and winding, and even for Tesla, caution is the best co-pilot.